Hi there. If you own one of these UJK benches, or any bench that you've made of the UJK path guide system, you'll know how useful this grid of holes, CNC drilled, are perfect for doing straight 90-degree cuts or 45-degree cuts, or used as an assembly station. Now typically, if you want to clamp wood to this style of bench, people have been using these guide rail clamps. So we can use any of these holes to clamp the work in position, which is fine, but if you want to route around the edge, sand over the top, plane the top, obviously the clamp is in the way. So we've just developed the UJK Cam and Clamp set. Now this is a kit that comprises of 3 small pups, low profile pups, which are useful in their own right as bench stops, a backstop which stops over the pups, 2 wedges and a spacer block. So if I want to clamp this wood here to route around the edge, put a chamfer around the edge, I can use my spacer, one of the wedges, and that clamps rock solid, unmovable. I can also apply that load, so if I wanted to plane an edge on its side, I can use a different hole and again, rock solid, so I can plane along that edge. Now, because the clamping pressure is spread out over a large face, it does mean that we can clamp big pieces of timber with this kit. So 1 spacer block, 1 wedge, that is rock solid, all low profile, perfect for holding and working. So that's the basic kit, but all the parts are available as pairs as well. So you can buy a pair of wedges, a pair of cam clamps, or a pair of pups, and the backstops are sold individually. Now another useful accessory is the new UJK assembly square. Now this has a number of uses. You can use it as a quick reference, as a guide for a track saw. You can use it on conjunction with this bench to do perfect miter cuts, again with a track saw. But also, we can use it for assembly of framing. So, for example, if I've got 2 sheets of birch ply, which I want to join together, using 1 spacer block, and that clamps that solid to fix some pocket holes or screws. Also makes an excellent assembly square, which can be clamped with some standard F clamps or the UJK fence clamps. I hope you found this useful. These are available online or in store. Thank you. Cheers.